You need to complete both groups of US CMA, submit your educational documents, submit your transcripts. You will still not receive the US CMA certificate because institute may not take your mark sheets of bachelor's. I got a confirmation that, congratulations, you are a CMA. Hello friends, by the title and thumbnail, you have got a fair idea that what is this video all about. Guys, in today's video, I'm not about to share any tips and tricks. In fact, I'm about to share my experience because I have recently received this CMA certificate by IMA after all the hard work that I've put in to crack this US CMA exam. And after submitting all the education document and my work experience, finally I have made it, and I thought that I'll share this experience of mine. And today in this video, I'm about to unbox the certificate and I'll explain you the procedure in case you guys don't know to how to apply US CMA certificate after clearing both the parts. So we will talk about everything. All you need to do is just subscribe and press the bell icon so that all the notifications related to this channel is with you. I come up with multiple study tips and tricks. I give career guidance. Also, you guys, if you are new to this channel, do follow my Telegram account and Instagram too. I generally do give updates over there as well. And without wasting any further time, let's begin. So guys, in order to receive the CMA certification, you need to complete certain requirements. The very first requirement, you need to complete both groups of US CMA. You can give it in any order, be it part 1 or part 2. After that, you have completed and you have scored more than 360 in both the groups. The very first thing is, if you are a college student, you need to submit your educational documents, you need to submit your transcripts. But here is the catch. Even you have completed your bachelor's course and you have submitted the transcript, you will still not receive the US CMA certificate because you shall need 2+ years of experience too in order to receive your US CMA certificate. You need to have some good experience into management accounting roles or financial accounting roles in order to see it. Once you have those experience, have that experience letter with you, submit it. I have mentioned the email IDs for both education and submitting your work experience certificate. All you need to do is, once you have fulfilled the criteria of you having a bachelor's degree and you having 2+ years of experience into management accounting, you can submit it, you can mail them. So guys, here is the catch. At times, institute may not take your mark sheets of bachelor's, they might need transcripts. I was very much fortunate because when I submitted my mark sheets from Mumbai University, they had accepted it and I had received the mail that all your educational documents are well received. And after that, when I submitted my work experience, I got a confirmation that, congratulations, you are a CMA, you have fulfilled all the criteria. And after 3 months, I had received this US CMA certificate, which makes me proud. And now is the time to unbox this. All you need to do is just subscribe and press the bell icon so that all the notifications related to channel is with you. So guys, look at this packaging. The packaging looks excellent. So this is how I have received the packaging of my CMA certificate. Let's unbox it. Oh, too many stickers. I think the security looks quite tight. And see, it takes good amount of efforts to unbox this certificate, but with all your love and happiness, I was managed to unbox this. Even my knife tells me that it is too hard, but overall achievement is excellent and I was fortunate enough to crack this exam. And you can see how with all difficulty, I'm finally able to manage it, and I have finally removed it from the packaging. Wow, the cover is so great. And finally, here you go. This is my CMA certificate. Wow. This feeling is amazing. I can see my name. It tells me the certificate number. The feeling is amazing. I can't express how much happy I am. It grates. It makes me really happy. It makes me really emotional. I can't express how exactly I am feeling it. So guys, this was my experience of unboxing, and I'm really very excited after receiving this certificate. It brings me immense joy. And all my hard work and effort has really helped me to achieve this certificate. And guys, by watching this video, I hope you are motivated. Work hard, study smart, follow all the tips and tricks that I've always been telling you. 100% you will get an assurance of you becoming a US CMA. My mission is to ensure that you and I will help you to clear your US CMA, and that is my mission. And if you honestly like this video, do not forget to subscribe. And with that, I'll come up with multiple videos. All you need to do is just shower your love and do subscribe. Share this video with your friends. That will help them to be motivated. And I'll come up with multiple videos. Till then, you take care. Bye.